Hey, what's going on? Matthew Taman here from LearnJoomlaFast.com. If you're looking to build a membership website and you're trying to figure out what extensions to use, I get it. There's so many membership extension websites that Joomla has to offer. And one of the biggest challenges people ask is, what extensions should I use? Well, I've put up my list of extensions that I've used and they really work great. So if you're thinking about starting a membership website, or you have an existing membership website that you want to try different extensions out, these are the ones that I've used and I definitely recommend for you to check it out. So one of the first ones that I want to show you, and by the way, these are in no particular order. These are the ones that I've used, and I think that it'll work great for your membership site too. So the first one here is PAYPLANS, and it is by Stack Ideas. They have a lot of different extensions that I love. All of them, I've used them. And their membership on the PAYPLANS here has a lot of features with it, and it gives you so much that you can be able to do. Now let's take a demo. This is how it looks. You can be able to create customized plans. You can look at the dashboard. You can log in. When you log in, you go here to your dashboard. So this is what your user's dashboard is going to look like, and it is very, very clean. So now let's take a look a little bit more in this component here, this extension. So it gives you a lot of different apps that you can be able to do, be able to use. One of the things about membership is that your goal of it is you want to make sure that non-subscribers or non-members are not allowed to view, premium content. So you can also integrate that with the different payment gateways. You have 30 plus here. So wherever you are in the world, whatever payment gateway that you use, you can certainly be able to use that. You have the popular ones, and then you have the not so popular ones that's here. So you scroll through and it shows you can integrate this too with other Joomla third-party extensions. So you want to use MailChimp, Quinina for the forms, Norm to Graph, and you have AC Melon, you have Zoo Analytics, and has a really great reporting, so you can check your sales, subscription, upgrades, and everything is very intuitive on the back end. And you can create customizable plans for your users. You can create recurring ones, you can create one time, you can create fixed, you can create hourly, you can create daily. So if you wanted to offer subscription, let's say for a day, you can do that. If you want to offer it for a month, you can offer it for whatever period of time, and you get your email notifications here. And one cool thing too is the abandoned cart. Now this is something that's really great, because there are times when people come on your site and they start to complete an order, but for whatever reason, whether they got disconnected, they lost interest, or whatever it is, you have this reminder here that is going to let them know. I know a lot of companies like Amazon send you a reminder if you have something in your cart to go back and complete. So that's really, really effective things you need to know. Have the invoicing. You can send an invoice. I had the GDPR download requests for users to get their data. You have the subscription options, and it's a very clean user interface for the user. So once they're coming to manage their plans, everything is great. You have a lot of automation that's also included in there. And so this is the demo. You can check this out, and you can also take a look at the back end. So when you log into your dashboard, the back end, it shows you all the activities that are going on. And this is where you change your settings, your integration, your payments, discount, coupon codes, email, referrals. And this is where all of that, happen here. So it's a really solid one that they have, and it get updated on a regular basis. One of the things that I love about it is, and all the Stack Ideas extension is their support is phenomenal, and you get updated on a regular basis, not once every year or something, but they really do an excellent job with that. So the next one here is this Membership Pro. Membership Pro is another extension too that I've used this one extensively, and it has a lot of unique features. One of the things that it has on there is you have this try unique membership. You can have trial. You can set up where if someone wanted to access your site for 3 days, for any period of time, they can do that. And they can also, of course, subscribe. And you can integrate this with any Joomla user group. So how this works is you can create as many different groups as you want. In other words, if you want to create a group that have access to just listed content A, you have content A, content B, and content C. But you want users that don't get access to all three of them, right? You can actually create a user group that get access only to content A, the same thing for content B and content C. And you can create a user group that get access to all of them. So that really integrates this here, and is really, really great. And then you have the subscription management here. It's very clean, simple. Let's take a look at their front end. So this is what it looks like. They have different plans. You can check out the columns. You can check out the pricing tables. You can see the different type of plans. You have the free trial. So I definitely encourage you to just go through and just kind of click through and see how the setup is. But I know that in terms of the features that they have, this have all the features and more that you need in group membership. So if you wanted to give a membership to specific groups, you can be able to offer that. You can create specific pricing for that group. You can also integrate this with your email, your newsletter, AC Mailing and MailChimp. You can integrate it so when people are signing up, you can give them an option to get updates and stuff from you. You have invoice PDF translation. Also have affiliate tracking, which is really great. Affiliate tracker and iDev affiliate. These are really great options that if you want to reward people for when they sign up, you can definitely do that as well. So now let's take a look at Emerald. Emerald is another one that has a lot of features. It's very simple, very clean. And you can check analytics, you can check the plans, they're really flexible. And as I mentioned before, all of these are really great because they allow you to be able to, have full control over what you're doing. So Emerald is another one. This is their front end. You can log in there to get a feel for how everything is set up, become a member. But you definitely check out the features. You can have different payment gateways. You can see to check out PayPal, Stripe, VCS. And as you go through here, it shows you a little bit more multi-user access. I mentioned before, you can give multiple users access to specific content or the entire website. And then they can also subscribe when they're registering on your site. So Emerald, this is another great option too. Now let's check out Nice Membership. It's another simple one. They don't really have a demo that you can be able to try, but you can be able to see some of the features here. The demo is, this video, and you can, give it a shot. So one of the things that I always tell people is that you want to be able to see whatever options that are out there. And my job for today is just to show you what are the options that you can be able to use. So this is another one. And then we'll have JOOMFUSE, which also integrate Infusionsoft with it. Now, I haven't personally used JOOMFUSE, but for what I've seen, it seems like it's pretty good. Now, Infusionsoft is a software, for those that don't know, that allows you to do your email marketing, for you to track your results, for you to do follow-ups, for you to set up. It really helps you. It's a CRM, customer relationship management tool. So you can integrate Joomla with Infusionsoft for those that use it, and you can have a really robust system with your memberships. And then finally, we have RS Membership. It's another one. I've used this one as well, and it has really great features with it. You can allows for membership upgrade. So let's say someone started with one membership level. Well, they can upgrade to the next level, or they can even downgrade. It has PayPal, authorized.net. It has to check out. And you can also restrict content. You can sell extra options with your membership. So when someone purchases, let's say, a membership, you can also, let's say if they purchase, you doing training, well, they can purchase your online training. But if you have other things that you want to sell in addition to that, they can also subscribe to that. They can pay for extra files. They can pay for content additional. You can customize your registration form. You get your reports. So this one too is really great. You can even monetize your content, and it gives you a really clear transaction manager for you to see the analytics, where your visitors are coming from, what they're paying, and a chart. So let's take a look now on their front end here. So this is the front end of it. You can see the layout. So if they want to subscribe to, let's say, this template, they can subscribe to this. You can show subscribers account info. You can have single membership layout. That's where this is just a single, and they can click to subscribe. And again, you can integrate this with your existing Joomla site. The reason why this is like this, just like the basic Joomla template here, but whatever template that you're using, you can easily integrate it with your website and it works great. Hopefully you've seen something here that you can be able to use on your existing site, or maybe you're thinking about starting a membership website and you wanted to do some research on what Joomla extensions to use. Well, the ones that I listed here, they're really solid that you can be able to get started with and build a high quality membership website.